What's up, guys? Welcome back to the studio. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a full house track using the hardware, the Korg Monologue for bass and synths, the Roland TR-8S for drums. I do this with my Pro Moroz 808.
Hello. We are starting with the drums, part of every house track. On the TR-8S, I am loading a bass house track, punchy kick on the downbeat, sharp open head on the offbeats, and a clean clap on the second and fourth. House drums need to be tight and consistent. We are building a groove people can move to. Let's add a shaker loop and allow Tom to add rhythm and movement. If you're using the free drum kit, I link all the sounds are inside as well. Now, let's jump into the bass line using the Korg Monologue. This little synth is perfect house, warm and alacone, punchy envelopes, and a filter that really cut through the mix. I'll start with a simple one bar pattern, then add slides and variation to make it more alive. Key with house bass is movement, should bounce with the drums. Next, let's add some chords. I'm using this time detuned samples from my Roland TR-8S. House chords usually sit in the mid-range and repeat every bar to keep the energy steady. Now, let's create a hook. A simple repeating step or pad, maybe with delay or a bit of tape saturation. You don't need complicated melodies. House is about emotion through repetition, some kind of.
If you want your house track to hit professionally, I offer a mixing and mastering service, especially for electronic music. deep, warm, punchy, that club-ready sound. You can submit your track in the link below. And let's move to the final touch.
So let's add some sweeps and risers. Little noise effects goes a long way during transition. Also automate the low pass filter on the drums. Classic build-up technique. If you want a drums I used today, download the free house drum kit in the description. It works with any DAW and any hardware setup. For producers who want to make club-ready tracks, you can also grab a mixing and mastering sessions with me. I'll take your project and make it sound professional on every system. And if you're serious about leveling up your production skill, you can book one-on-one mentoring session. We will work on your sound, workflow, branding, and help you grow as an artist. Thanks for watching, drop a comment, and I'll see you on next one.